Beautiful day out here. Beautiful, hot, extremely hot day out here at the Cactus Jack trailhead. Gorgeous day for a long trail run and bike ride in the shade. But it ain't gonna be in the shade because it's hot and the sun's out. We're 10.5 weeks away from Ironman 70.3 in Augusta. Ironman 70.3 is a 70.3 mile swim bike run.
Why?
My knee is killing me.
It's okay.
If you're unfamiliar, I've done 2 so far, one in Whistler, Canada, and the other in Florida. 8 hours and 15 minutes and 7 hours. What I'm trying to shoot for is under 6 hours on this one. What I've been doing this month to help me out is 2 fundraisers, one for St. Jude and one for Stop Soldier Suicide. The St. Jude is a 100-mile run, and the Stop Soldier Suicide is a 250-mile bike ride. Cool down in a hurry. Oh God. Yep. It went from 8,000 degrees to 8,000 degrees and rainy along the ride. So that was great. I think I did somewhere around 22 miles. And I'm really trying to talk myself into finishing off with a run here, maybe 3 miles, somewhere around a 5K or something, but I don't know if I have it in me. Just wanted to wrap up this video here. We're almost done with the month. I have 86 miles basically running and 20 miles left to ride on the bike. So the Bucks just won the NBA championship last night, so that was exciting. But we'll be getting back to the regular videos that I typically do on the channel, and I'll link my other channel, which is where I'm going to start doing all my triathlon stuff and things like that, since I know most of y'all are looking for drone videos of the villages and tours and all that kind of thing. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you like the last few videos, or at least to know what I've been doing while I haven't really been putting out a whole lot of content about the villages. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one.